attitude is everything. I'm sure you've heard that coined phrase before. So the thing about attitude is that to be accountable, it starts with how I see things. And someone with a positive attitude versus a negative attitude see things very differently, and with that, perform very differently. We're going to discuss and gain skills for accountability. So we'll talk about specific strategies. It may be a subtle step process, or it might be a more formal step process. These are things that you can lift up out of the session and actually put into play on the other side so that you can create a culture of accountability. And then finally, the third box there, the text box at the bottom of page 28, that's about what gets in the way. So in life, there are barriers, and I like to say they are so. And there are things that are just not going to change. So as you implement any action plan, how do you work around those barriers? What's important for you to consider? So oftentimes I hear time is a barrier. I never have enough time to follow up with my employees, so they're not accountable. Well, I know that's a barrier. We need to strategize how to work around that and how to be more efficient so that we can possibly apply these strategies. So no excuses allowed in this program. I know. Sister Mary Joseph, she was my first grade teacher, and she used to say to me, no excuses. So the most important thing of this whole session, and I'm on my soapbox now, is to apply the skills. So today, this session is purely information. Why not make the best of it and really apply these skills? And practice is where it makes perfect.